right here, this little order right here, this is a $10 order. $10 order. Going probably less than 2 miles. But they don't want to send you that. They want to send you the $7 order that's going 20 fucking miles away. No, Uber, what the fuck? Like, just give me that shit. So you know what? I'm accepting all stacked orders. I'm going to unassign this motherfucker, and they not getting shit because they still not getting shit. I wasn't taking it, but I'm going to unassign it, and at least I can get access to this good customer right here, $10 for 2 miles, because that's a good order. But Uber, man, they be on some other stuff. And my dash ended. How am I still in here? Look, dash ends at 7. Look, I knew it. Hell yeah, get me out of there. Grubhub just over here wasting battery. Turn that back off. But y'all see the games that UberEats play? Like, why not just send me the first order? Like, why we can't just do that? They don't want to do that though. It's all good. We know how these apps work. We know how to make the money. Dallas, Texas in the building. Shout out to Dallas. Stacking orders. Telling you, if you getting stacks on Uber Eats, just accept them. Unassign the customer that's the furthest away and keep it moving. $20 for 1 mile. Hell yeah, with the tip. I need all my customers to understand, if you ain't got no money, just go ahead and make you a sandwich. I ate some noodles today. It was so good. I dropped the egg in the noodles. I had me some pepperoncinis. I'm trying to tell you, man, like, you don't need to have food delivery. There's nothing wrong with ramen noodles. Wake me up in 30 minutes. We got you. We got you. 20 cents, 25 cents, negative 25 cents after expenses. For real though. How do you know which sauce is in them noodles? Oh, he said, do you put some hot sauce on them noodles? Hell yeah, Frank's Red Hot. $3 for 9 miles. That's absolutely crazy. $3 for 9 miles is absolutely wild. It's make-believe market. That's hella funny. Put beef bratwurst in the noodles and cayenne. Ooh, I never even thought of that. Beef bratwurst and cayenne pepper. Damn, that sounds really good. Adam say he made $25 from 2 orders since I accepted the Chick-fil-A. That's crazy. I literally have made $2, and this man out here 10x in my shit. That's crazy. Do your thing, bro. You getting it in. You are an experienced driver, for sure. He said he made $25. Make him wanna holler. We finna pull up in the back of Wingstop. See, this is why I gotta get the 70%, man, because they steady sending me this trash. Now, I know some folks have said that they still send you the trash regardless, and that may be true. But my thing is, I ain't getting, barely any good orders. So let me just see a few. If I'm already seeing the trash, let me just see a few good ones too. Half-stepping ass. Oh, shit. I got called racist today. I'm surprised I haven't got called that in 3 or 4 days. Boy, you hella funny. Don't be saying nothing racist, cheeky. You ain't never said nothing racist in here, and you better not start. I hope you just playing. It's slow. There's nothing coming in on your phone. Man, you was not telling a lie. Now I gotta wait for DoorDash to open the schedule back up because they want to play games. Like, why you got to play? Let me see if they got some kind of promotion. $2 peak pay after 2 p.m. Damn, that referral bonus was just $600. and now it dropped